We got Eddie now.
Yeah,
what's up?
we in the building, guys. So it's finally long overdue. Probably making a transformation video of my 2004 Subaru STI. Hope you guys enjoy this video. But I've been building this car for about 5 years, so I hope you guys enjoy. Peace out. You're good. Okay, so I already loosened up all the bolts for the headers, and I also unbolted the one connected to the up pipe. Not gonna lie, I think I am gonna miss the rumble, but performance over sound any day. Plus there's a lot of other benefits with going equal length, so that's the reason why I did it. The only thing left to take out is my stock up pipe, but it's kind of difficult to take it out just like that, so I'm gonna have to unbolt the passenger side motor mount so I can jack up the engine maybe like 2 or 3 inches, and then that'll allow my up pipe to come out free.
No groceries, teardrops running down my face. It's just one of those days. If you were with me someday, I think the first thing you would say is something like,
now what we want to do, we want to apply a thin coat on the studs.
that I can. Shit on the way, but I would do it all again. I would do it all again. I would do it all again. 99 flashing lights, don't move, hands up to the sky. What should I do? Just run away. The pistol's on me, but it's not mine, I say. It's like it's so far beyond the place, but I see it much clearer now. I see it much clearer now. So much clearer now. I've made some mistakes in the past, but something that is cannot change. I try to do.
I was about like 75-80% done with the car until I realized that I had a leak or a giant hole of my turbo inlet connecting it to the turbo. It's kind of dark to see where the hole is actually at, but it's right after the clamps connecting the turbo inlet into the turbo.
Made some mistakes in the past, something that is cannot change. I try to do the best that I can to make shit all the way, but I will do it all again. I will do it all again, yeah. I will do it all again, and again, and again.
And of course, all the parts. Hose. I know I'm gonna have to cut my own hose for this. Coupler. Notice that the parent turbo inlet is significantly bigger compared to the OEM one. Put them side by side. And you can also feel the quality of the parent turbo inlet. Alright, so I just finished installing my turbo inlet. It was probably one of the most difficult pieces to install in my car. It took so long to squeeze it in there, but I finally did it. So now the car, everything I think is done that I needed to do. So now I just got to bolt on the downpipe and the intercooler and think that's it. See the turbo? That's the turbo? Yeah. It's finally done. hood. So it's finally complete. I have the entire bottom line kit by ChargeSpeed. If you can't already tell, I have the diffuser, side spats, side skirts, the mirrors, which are carbon fiber, hood props, of course the front lip, and some engine bay covers. It's finally looking kind of complete, and not really complete because it's an endless project, but it's kind of looking where I want to get to. So there's a turbo with the video series that I did. Everything is going so far so good. I've been pushing 22 pounds of boost consistently. I have no signs of heat soak. One thing to note, a lot of people are saying that top mount intercoolers aren't that good if you want kind of a high horsepower STI, which is incorrect. You can squeeze plenty of power with the top mount intercooler as long as you keep your heat under control. For instance, I have the PTP turbo blanket and the downpipe blanket by Perrin. You can kind of see it chilling in the back. Let me see if I can turn up the brightness. It's right about there. So no signs of heat soak for me. I try to keep my heat under control. In addition to that, I also have my ceramic coated headers along with the up pipe. Of course you can't see the up pipe because it's right below the turbo. It's pulling great. No signs of anything going wrong. And I mean, that's from here on out, it's just pretty much cosmetics. Of course, there's always that risk of maybe blowing my engine up because I'm pushing, you know, a pretty substantial amount of horsepower and torque compared to stock power. So I already dropped off my expansion reservoir and my expansion tank at the powder coating place. So I'm going to be powder coating the intake manifold and little bits and pieces here and there. So I want to powder coat this again, this, and the battery tie down, just so everything kind of complement each other and be the same color. I just don't want to have, like, you know, pink and then red. I kind of like that all matching color from the engine bay. So a lot of you guys are wondering which wheels I have. I'm going to be covering the entire overview of the car pretty soon. Right now I'm just kind of doing like an update video, so I might as well answer it right now. I'm running a 18 by 9.5 plus a 27 offset. No, I am not running on any spacers, straight tire and wheel. And I'm running some Volk raised alumina lug nuts. It gets the job done, looks great. I love the gold. However, I am willing to trade for something else, or even perhaps even sell them and getting something else, just for the reason being that I've had these wheels for about 3 years, and no, I'm getting a little bored with them. But
you enchant me even when you're not around.
Hammer this guy out. Coilover should come off. These are the old Tanabe coilovers. Yeah, these are way lighter too, the BCs. Damn. Huge upgrade. So what I was doing right now, I put in this coilover with my left hand, and then I was tightening the screws or the nuts with my right hand. All right, so I just finished installing the front BC Racing coilovers, and I just have the rear that's left, but so far so good. I think they look amazing. Damn. Now, this is what they look like from under the car. You can see the headers right there, connecting it to the up pipe. You can't really see the up pipe, but the up pipe is right there. Damn, I love the white coating. So here's what it looks like with the camber plates. I think I'm gonna go all the way maxed out. There's some extra holes down there where I can move the Allen screws and then try to max out with the camber, because I want to go with the pretty aggressive setup for my new wheels. So this is probably gonna be one of the last times you're gonna see these wheels on my car. I'm gonna get a new set, but it's been a nice run with these wheels for 3 years. I love them, but it's just time for something's wrong. That's what the car looks like right now. I changed the wheels, obviously, since like the last video. Damn, it looks so nice under these lights. Crazy. I love these wheels. These are the Volk raised Z40s in the optional gold color choice. There they are. All right, two-step right here. Go ahead. The ARC titanium alternator cover. It definitely stands out from the rest and will make the engine pop out a little bit more. We'll be replacing my already APR carbon fiber cover. All right, just to make this clear, this is my second Dressel bolts kit, and the first one I bought is covering these original holes that are listed in this picture. But the reason why I bought another kit is to cover up the remaining holes by the intake manifold, kind of on the coolant reservoir tanks right here holding it down. Titanium ones. I also have one for the bypass valve. I just found a bolt that fits it. Dude, that's hella crazy. Look, check it out. Damn, night and day difference. All right, so I'm just finishing up my last bolt right here at the Grimspeed electronic boost controller. Honestly, it looks really, really good, especially because the car is black and the gold bolts also match the strobe bar and the wheels. On top of that, it's also very different. I covered up most of the bolts. Check it out.
You're good, you're good. Keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Yes.
A lot?
No, you didn't.
Okay.